Hello, the name is Max, my name, and the name of the show is NoCodeNerd. All right, I'm goofing off. This is episode 21. This is Pory.io, actually one of my favorite tools. I always say that, but this is like, I need to experiment more with Pory because it's so sleek and so simple and it has so many use cases. So check this out. I'm blocking it a little bit. Basically, on the last episode, we talked about a tool called Airtable, right? Airtable, for those of you who don't know, this is a giant database it's like a Google Sheets on steroids is how I kind of describe it. It's a really, really powerful just database tool for creating databases really, really easily, too. If you have an Airtable database, right, with information that you want to put on a website, you can actually build a website with an Airtable database, right? So if you have a listing website or like a video series website or an image, or like just like a website with a list of stuff, you can build it incredibly easy from a backend database on an Airtable sheet by connecting it with Pory, Pory.io. Just a beautiful freaking tool. I absolutely adore it. And the nice thing is it doesn't have to build your entire website. You can actually just create embeds. So there are a couple of other tools like this. I'm using a different tool that's similar to Pory on my show right now. But look at all these. Look, I can create a job board. If you have a list of job job applications or job positions that you know and you source from your friends or your network, you can make a job board website for all of those just by having them submit them to an Airtable database, right? They submit them to the Airtable database, you control and you can see exactly what's going on there, and it automatically populates it into a beautiful job board format just without coding, without anything complicated, right? You can view the Airtable base and control it there. This makes it really nice because if there are like maybe automations coming into your Airtable database or data is porting into your Airtable sheet from a few different locations, it makes it really easy just to collect it all in one place and then port it to a website. So it makes the back end of your website really, really simple. And it doesn't have to be your whole website. I mentioned it before. You can just create embed blocks that you embed on your website that are the list formats from your Airtable database, right? So smooth, right? 30 customizable blocks. Just, I love it. I love tools like this. They're very niche, but like you'd be surprised how far this can go. So let me know if you have any questions on what you can build with Pory, how it might be able to help your business. I'll see you on the next heckin' episode.